Going and today I'm installing this electric valve here. Uh, this is an electric valve, that it controls. It can turn off a water valve here, and this water valve goes to my water heater. Okay, and my water heater is not a smart water heater. So anyway, this electric valve I can turn off the cold water, and also the water heater. It has an electric igniter, and that I'm controlling it with a smart switch. Okay, I'm controlling with a smart switch. Oh, no, this is the one for the water heater. Like I said, I'm controlling with a smart switch, and that's the actual control valve for the cold water. This other one here is another smart switch for a water pump. Okay, so when I need to turn off all this, I just use my smart switches, and in this case, and if I need to turn off the water, I already have the control for the water valve. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so basically I just opened this application, Tuya, whatever it's called. Open that application, and if I need to control that valve, basically right now it shows that it's closed, so I'm gonna open it, and let me show you in the camera what I'm doing. See there? So that right now is open. So basically if I want to close it, I just close it, and then the rest is just a smart switch. Basically I just gonna turn it on, turn it off, whatever. So let's see, let's go back to the valve. Now we're gonna close it, and the valve basically just closing there. So the water's off right now. Okay, and my water heater here is off also. That's being controlled by the smart switches. Okay, and the other one is the pump. All this I turn it off during the day, because during the day I have an 80-gallon water heater that I'm powering up with solar panels. Okay, so that one there during the day we can warm up the water with solar panels. Okay, so there's no reason to be using gas, because this one here is a gas water heater. Here's a gas line. There's a valve there for the gas. But like I said, I don't need to turn off the gas. I just need to turn off the water. And I turn off the heater, and I also turn off the pump, because I have another pump over there by the other water heater. But the electric water heater, I have another pump that actually brings all that water into the house. So we have a electric solar water heater, 80-gallon one, that is actually putting water into the house during the day. So there's no need to be using the gas ones. As you guys know, the utility companies right now, they're tripling their charges. Here in California, they're charging too much for utilities, and the gas company is one of them. So that's the reason that I'm doing all this. I'm taking advantage of that. We have electric power, solar electric power, and there's no need to be using gas during the day, but we can do it at night. But then on the other hand, I don't want to be turning on and off all this by hand. I can use smart switches, and I can use this electric water valve here. It's just a controller, just a control valve. The valve is a manual one, but you just add this adapter. You can actually make it work with an application. Simple as that. All the other ones, I don't need to turn on and turn off. I can do it manually. This one is to clean the water heater. This other one here is for the hot water. But the hot water, I can keep it on. The only one that I don't want going in when I have my electric water heater working is this one. I don't want the cold water going in. The cold water goes in on the other side of the house, and there's another solar water heater, like I was telling you, and there's another gas heater over there. But that other gas water heater has also this type of controls, the switches. But that one there, it doesn't need this valve, because that one there we need to open all the time. It has a pump like this. We want that pump to be recirculating all the water into the lines and keeping all that water hot inside the house. That way when you open your valves, it doesn't take 5, 10, 15 minutes for you to get water. Now you just get hot water right away. As soon as you open it, a few seconds later, you're there. Your hot water is there. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. Okay. Well, this is it for now. I'll keep you guys updated. And remember, we need subscribers, you know. But this is how I control my water heaters here. And it's a combination, like I said, with gas and electric, you know. If I show you the other one, I think I showed you guys the other one in another video. It's an 80-gallon electric water heater. That's what it is. Simple as that. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.